Hey, welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. This is the evening of Monday, April 19th, 2021. I'm taking a second look at forecasting methods, in this case using the ARIMA model. Uh, the code basically comes from a couple of videos, which I'll include right now. Okay. A few libraries, the ARIMA method comes from forecasts. I've got a few libraries here to look at. Nothing special. Load some data, create a separate data frame, fix today, create a separate data frame for cases and deaths. I tell it to omit NAs. So this first, the cases data frame consists of date and new cases, daily cases, and the same for deaths. Let me come down here and we create our first data frame, our first data series. We convert our data, our cases to a time series. Okay. Frequency 365 because it's a starting it's a starting sequence. Okay. What happened if it came back over here? So we could do this 01 also. Okay. Start date January 1st, 2020. End date uh, April the 19th, 2021. We're going to plot this. Then we're going to calculate the ARIMA. Use the ARIMA function. Okay. Change in a 1 to a 0 to a 10 here. Then take the output from the ARIMA function and use the forecast package. I'm going to forecast 30 days or 30 periods. Then we're going to plot the last 90 periods to create this number right here. So just see what happens. Did that make any difference? Not really sure. I mean, we don't really have enough data there. So let's try this again. What else we come back to into this out to 60? Yeah, beyond say 30 days, it starts to look a little iffy. Okay. Let's come down here. Let's just make this 01. Okay. 120. Data series, create the forecast, 30 periods. Then we're going to do a plot, and this is going to be include the last 120 periods for cases. So this is the 100. So you can see the climb up back here. Then you can see that that it seems to be forecasting a flattening out of cases. What about deaths? It does seem to pick up the periods, the weekly periods. It does appear to show a little bit of a decline here. Okay. And finally, the other thing we're doing is we're printing out the statistics for the actual ARIMA model itself. Okay, same thing here. Honestly, I don't know what these figures mean here, to be perfectly honest, but we'll see what happens here, okay? Let's run this from the top. So that's our basic setup. Now we're going to try something a little different here. So let's start out as we always do. So we want to convert that's not what let's come down here. Okay, right, because it's the forecast. Right. So we're going to say so now we're going to try to convert this into a data frame. Okay, so that didn't work. Nice. Okay, good. What I'm going to do now is Hmm. Hmm. Okay, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with that yet. It'd be nice to convert that into a. Hmm. Okay. I think I'm going to call this particular video quits right now. Spend some more time thinking about the ARIMA models, and maybe post a question to one of the either the Facebook R group or the Slack R for Data Science group. But anyway, thanks so much for spending a few minutes with me this evening. We'll catch you later on or tomorrow with a new report.